In this video I will show you how to check if someone else is accessing your Facebook account. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. Let's go ahead and open Facebook. Tap on this menu button. Then scroll down and click Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Settings. Scroll down again. Under Security, click Security and Login. Then tap on this See All button. You will see and hear all the devices that is accessing your Facebook account. If you see any unfamiliar device and location, that means that someone is accessing your Facebook account. To get rid of it, scroll down and at the very bottom tap Log Out All Sessions. Confirm Logout. Now it should log out all other devices, and the device that you are currently using should be the only one in there. Now I recommend that you should change your password. That unauthorized login is because your password has been compromised. After you change your password, you can also turn on this two-factor authentication. This will help you to secure your account. It will ask your password and verification code if it detects attempted login or unrecognized device. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.